Hello and welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how to deactivate Messenger from Facebook. Now, you cannot deactivate Messenger solely from Facebook. To deactivate the Messenger from Facebook, you have to deactivate the whole Facebook account through your Facebook account. You have to delete your Facebook account and Messenger account within your Facebook account. Now, if you want to deactivate your Messenger from Facebook, then follow the step-by-step process and watch this video until the very end. Now, firstly, open up the Facebook app. Now, from the home page, tap on menu icon at the top right. Now scroll this page to the bottom and now tap on settings and privacy. And once you tap on settings and privacy, it will show you different options. Now from those options, tap on the very first option, settings, and now scroll a bit down and tap on access and control option. Now there you will find deactivation and deletion option. Tap on that option. Now you will be given two options whether to deactivate account or delete account. Now make sure to take the deactivate account option and then tap on continue to account deactivation button. Now again tap on continue button. Now choose a reason for the account deactivation and then tap on continue button. Now scroll this page to the bottom and then tap on down facing arrow. Now you can choose the days for the activation or you can choose don't reactivate automatically option. Now if you want your account to be automatically reactivated, then you can choose following this and then tap on continue button. And once you tap on continue button, your Facebook and your Messenger account will be deactivated. Now if you want to reactivate, you have to log in to your account and your account will be reactivated at any time. Now that was the quick and easy process on how to deactivate Messenger from Facebook. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.